Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MinuteMath number 163.
MinuteMath number 163. This is a really cool counting problem from the Mathematical Association of America's MinuteMath page. And we haven't done MinuteMath in actually probably a couple weeks, but this is a neat problem. And it's from the 2004 AMC 10. So it's a problem for 10th graders, and 56% of the people got this one right. So it's about half. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
At a party, each man danced with exactly 3 women, and each woman danced with exactly 2 men. If there were 12 men at the party, how many women were there? Okay, do you understand the problem?
Yes.
Okay, so let me ask you something real quick before we dive into it. Do you think there were more women than men or fewer women than men? Each man danced with exactly 3 women, and each woman danced with exactly 2 men.
Probably more.
Why would there be more women?
Well, it says there's 3 women for each man.
Okay.
But also it says
Well, it doesn't say there were 3 women for each man.
Well,
it says each man danced with exactly 3 women.
So, but that would mean that since there's 12 men
Yeah.
at the party, that could mean there's 36 women.
It could mean that could happen. If there were 36 women there, the 12 men, if they paired them if they were in groups of 3, like this, these are the women, and then here's the men, you could just draw lines like this. Okay? That could happen. It could be that there's 36 women. In this case, if there were 36 women, how many men did each woman dance with in this scenario?
It would be 3 women.
Each man danced with 3 women. How many men did each woman dance with?
Only 1, though.
Only 1. So is the answer 36?
No.
No.
But if we paired the men up in groups of 2, and with the groups of 3, that would work. But it would only be 2. It would be 2 men for 3 women.
Okay, so let's think about it this way. We have 12 men here, 2, 3, 4, I'm not going to draw all 12. But we have a bunch of arrows going over to the women. Okay, and each man has 3 arrows leaving. Why is that? What do the arrows represent?
Each woman. Because each man danced with 3 women.
So what do the arrows represent? This is the men,
dance.
This is the women, here's the dances. Okay?
And each woman.
How many arrows are there?
For just the men.
How many arrows are there?
There would be 36 arrows.
Why is that?
Because there's 12 men, and each man gets 3 dances.
Okay, there you go. Okay, so there's 36 arrows. Each arrow goes from a man to a woman. Got it? I haven't drawn it, obviously, correctly. How many arrows leave from each man?
3 arrows leave.
Great, and what do the arrows represent?
Dances.
The dances, okay? Now, what's it going to look like coming the other way? How many arrows leave from each woman?
Each woman has 2 arrows.
Okay.
Because each woman gets 2 dances with 2 men.
Each woman dances with 2 men. Okay?
Yes.
All right. So, can you solve it? How many women are there?
Well, there's 2 arrows for each woman.
Right.
And for each man there's 3 arrows.
Right. So how many arrows are there?
There's 36 total arrows.
So how many women are there?
How can I figure it out from there?
How many arrows are there?
36 arrows.
How'd you figure that out?
Because that's the number of dances.
3 times 12 equals 36, right?
Yeah.
3 dances, 3 women for each man, 12 men equals 36. Write the equation for the women.
It's X women
X women
times 2 men.
2 men equals...
This should also equal 36.
Right. So how many women are there?
So X times 2, there is 18.
18 women. Okay, and the reason is, this is a tough problem. Don't get frustrated. This is a tough problem. The dances are what matter. Okay? The dances, there are 36 dances. Okay? 12 men, each man gets 3 dances. Okay? Each woman gets 2 dances, but there's 36 dances. So if each woman gets 2 dances and there's 36 dances, how many women are there?
There's 18.
18. Make sense?
Yes.
Was this hard?
Yes.
Do you think you could do another problem like this if I
No.
gave you one right now?
No.
No? Okay, so what don't you understand about it then?
I don't know. Probably everything.
You don't understand everything about it? Draw the men, draw the arrows, and then figure out how many women there are. 3 times 12 is 36, which is x times 2. And so 36 divided by 2 is
18.
18.